we complete purging the filament, okay, now let's start to print our cube. First, go to the LCD screen and click on the menu button. And then scroll down, choose Print from Media and press on it and choose the G code that we saved. In my case, my name is Calibration Cube. Press on it and then select Print. Then click on Print. It will start printing. Okay, so over here you will see the bed actually heats. It shows bed heating. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes to heat it up, and then it will start printing. Okay, so you will see it actually start moving. Okay, so this action called homing. It basically moves the extruder back to the original position. Same thing for the bed. Okay, and the height too. After that, over here, you will see it start purging again because of the G code. Okay, so once this complete, it should be start printing in a second. So you see it start printing. Okay, so this outer layer we call it as skirt. Okay, future I will teach you more about this. Okay, so it start printing, and then start print the cube. Now you can see our print is complete. Pull the bed out, okay, and then press on the bed and pull out your object. Now we have our cube. So you see we have the X, the letter X, okay, the letter X, the letter Y, and the letter Z on our cube. Let's test whether our printer print with the correct size that we want for our cube. Okay, to test, take a caliper. Okay, so this is the caliper. So over here, you will see, press on the on button to switch it on. Okay, after that, over here you will see it's in millimeter mm. So you can change the unit by pressing on the inch, the blue button, and then it shows you inches. Okay, press it again to change it back to mm. Okay, right now we need to make sure that our unit is in 0, 0. Okay, press on 0, 0 to set it to 0. Okay, so to set our unit to 0, you need to make sure that the mouth of the caliper is closed. Okay, so right now let's measure our cube by dragging the caliper apart. Okay, now put it at the X surface. Okay, make sure that the X is facing you and push it to the end. Over here you will get the reading of 20.0, which means this printer is printing with the accurate measurement for the X-axis. Okay, let's test for the Y. Same thing, put it to the Y surface and then measure it. Now over here you will see it shows you 19.7, which means the printer is not printing in the accurate volume for the bed. Okay, it's not moving accurate enough. Okay, right now let's test for our Z. Okay, so to test the Z, make sure that the Z, the letter Z, is facing to the surface of the mouth. Okay, so you put it in, make sure you're facing the surface of the mouth. Okay, and then you push it in. Now right now over here it shows 19.7, So which means it didn't extrude enough material while it moving upwards. Okay, so in the future video, we will teach you how you can set your 3D printer to print with the accurate volume for the X, Y, and Z. That's all for our first video, and happy printing!